Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, everybody. If you're watching this video, then you've either missed day 2 of instruction this week, or you are looking back to see what we did because you forgot. So let's get right into it. What did we do? We talked about me a little bit. Then we did a short icebreaker activity. We came up with some classroom expectations. We talked about the materials distribution, which was today. So if you missed that, we're going to have to work out some alternative method of you getting the materials. So we'll get to that. Let's go ahead and start from the top. A little bit about me. I really enjoy traveling. Here I am in Belize. That was a really fun trip, harassing the wildlife and whatnot. Good times. I'm really into rock climbing. This is my dad over here. This is one of the climbing trips we took in Seneca Rocks, which are in West Virginia. Really high, really fun. Here I am in Greece. Again, I found a way to climb up somewhere tall, and it was also a phenomenal trip. So I really miss traveling in these tricky times, and I hope we can get back to that soon so I can visit more places and climb more rocks. Now, let's talk about what we're doing in the class. We have started our second activity, and the purpose of this one is twofold. Number one, I want you to tell me a little more about yourself and give me some ideas about what kind of learning styles you prefer so I can tailor the class to you. But number two is to test out our submission system and make sure you guys are able to submit and read my feedback through this particular widget that I have installed on our website. So please take this one seriously, as this is our chance to figure out if something is not working for you. To get to the assignment, simply scroll to the center of our home page and you can get to it here, Icebreaker Activity 2. You can also hit Modules, scroll down to Week 1 Materials, which are right here for me. I'll be right at the top for you. And click on A1, Unit 1, Icebreaker 2. That's the title of the assignment. Once you open it up, you need to click this button and it'll take you to a separate window for Google Assignments. Your window will look a little different, but very similar. You'll see this assignment right in the center. You open it up, you answer these questions. They're very straightforward right in here. And once you're done, you close it and you hit the submit button, which will be in the bottom right corner for you, and I will see it on my end. So hopefully that is not too tricky. Please go ahead and do that if you haven't gotten the chance to. The next thing we talked about was classroom expectations. I don't know which class you're in because this is going out to all my classes. So you need to check out the classroom expectations for your particular period that we came up with. And they're posted in MIME CPS underneath modules right here. Right here. Classroom expectations. You click on that link and it'll take you to all 3 of our periods that I teach for this particular class. So pick the period that's appropriate for you and it'll show you the classroom expectations we came up with. Now, if you think of some extra ones that aren't on there or you disagree with some of them, please send me an email and we can either add more or discuss the ones you have a problem with. Please don't stay silent. If something in this class doesn't work for you, you need to let me know. Materials distribution. We will be doing a hands-on project, which is the egg drop. It's coming not next week, but the week after. We distributed materials today. If you weren't able to be there, that's okay. We will figure out an alternative. Now, I will be putting together a list which will be posted online next week for all the materials that were in the distribution. You can either acquire them on your own, find an alternative time to pick them up from me, or if you absolutely cannot get the materials, there will be an alternative written assignment that you can do instead. I hope that answers any questions you have. If you have further issues, please send me an email, and I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend.